Hey guys, Noise here with another daily recap. Finally, it's a green day. It's been a couple of red days. I didn't want to see my P&L as I don't want it to affect my trading mentality. So crazy day. As you can see, it's only 9:39, but I already set on my hand. I told myself today to just get one green trade and to walk away from it. Sorry for the notifications. So yeah, RGC was kind of the leading gapper today. It was 30%. So based on it, seeing how it is, starting to, this is what I'm just gauging. Nothing too strong, just some tiny guideline like this TA. So I was thinking it's breaking this downtrend. So I added here since seeing it could be curling, else I will play it pretty tight. So added here for it to break. It did went up, and if you look at the 1 minute candle, it did went up, then it came back down. However, it's still holding. I think it did went 9 to 9. It seems like the bid was around 19, but it still holds 20. So I remain to stay in it. And when it pops up, I sold it for $1 profit, just 1 point. So this makes me up 200 today before commissions. And it's just one trade. So in hindsight, this seems pretty good since I'm aware of this. It could be failing. Usually if it fails the view up the second time or just a pop and fade, this will be pretty ugly. You can see all these topping tails and all these red flashes. So I just want to play it carefully, and back then it was just up 30%. Rest of the tickers are pretty quiet. As you can see, it's POP, AMC, PMCB, all these are pretty quiet previously. But today's the day. This is really unfortunate, but I just gotta be disciplined. Like, it's really, really, really hard, as you can see. Okay, so I only took 1 point here, and it went up all the way, halted up, halted up again, and even if it's halted down, the R is 29, so I got in at around 20. It's still 9 points, so it's really, really, really rough, and yeah, I'm up $200, but it's the discipline area. Like, um, I'm just, I don't know how to phrase it in words, but I told myself today that I just want to take one green trade and walk away, no matter how small, even if it's $10, $20. I just want to get in to get a green trade and get out of the market. Since pre-market it wasn't looking too good, so my mind was already set. That's why I scale out fully here. In a way, I could be selling half here. However, back then I was thinking like this area. So like if it's like this, if I were to scale out half here and then it flashes down, so I might be even be in the red, seeing how the market was pretty bad just now. Out of nowhere, ADTX and RGC literally carried the market, so it went on a bull run, and it just pains myself, it's 19 points here, so I could be up 38,000, sorry, 3.8 thousand. If let's say somehow I'm that lucky and manage to sell at the top, this is 19 points, so I'll be up 28, 19 points. Yeah, so I'll be up 3.8 thousand. Yeah, so it's really, really rough, but that's just how it is. I gotta respect myself and focus on the discipline. Like I told myself to do this, and I should ensure I do it. Like, so just a little unfortunate, but end of the day, a green day is a green day. So keep on taking green days, no matter how big or how small. It will never make you go broke. That's why I will stand by my decision. This was my only trade, and as you can see, it's only 9:12, and I did not trade anything anymore. I just watched. Oh, look at ADTX. Yeah, so I should quickly get over with this daily recap and then just shut everything down and just not look at it and maybe delete all the tickers. So tomorrow I won't hop back in around 12 and FOMO myself in any bad things. So this is pretty nice to hold up and hold down. Now the ask is 28. It will be worth to watch how it is, but seeing how it is, this is a recent IPO RGC, could be pretty dangerous. But if let's say my position was at 20, I could watch this whole thing go. It did hit 160, so at this area it did, I think it was 30 here, so it did a 60, 90, 120, and I think it even went to 160. So it's really, I'm referring to the gapping percent. So usually stocks will, I mean, 30, 60, 90, 120 are magical numbers, as well as 160. So usually this is how the stock's next target will be. As you can see now, it's back to 120. So yeah, that's all for RGC. I guess up $200 is still pretty good, although I could be up 3.8 thousand, which could be a great. I haven't had such a big winners for like maybe half a year. Okay, so ADTX had news. I'll leave it here so you guys can read it. I will not go through it, but yeah, out of nowhere the news hits and it basically slowly climbs up. Now it's at 59%. Pretty nice. This is a small pullback and went up. So yeah, I had to watch this go, since I told myself I will not trade anything and I stand by it. So yeah, GFIM went up with a halt too. So a little unfortunate. There's 3 tickers going crazy. SPRT, yeah, it broke this downtrend, and okay, I'll say SPRT is still pretty choppy, so I'm okay not trading this. But in a way, I still feel like, despite it being a green day, I miss this, I miss this, I miss, I don't know, this. The NOYCE had news too. However, is the keyword expected to be effective. So I don't know. There's so many COVID-19 news going around, so this seems pretty weak. CPOP, same thing. Was pretty nice, but when it broke this trend on 5 minute, then as expected, since all the attention are elsewhere, AMC, I was pretty surprised by it. Like, this was a pretty nice move in the open, but just a pop and fade probably traps a lot of Wall Street bettors. PMCBR was actually hoping for it to break here. I was thinking it could go, but thankfully, as you can see, it's 916 at this candle, so I thankfully wasn't in this play, else I could be trapped here. HBI, I also expect it to go, but nope. So yeah, other than that, my swings are pretty much the same. So yep, today really early day, just one trade in the open, not even the open, one trade in the pre-market, and it's 9:48, so I'm calling it a day here. Hopefully you guys were in this RGC move, because it's really nutty. ADTX too, so it might go again, who knows, and it's only 9:48, who knows, like yesterday a lot of them went after 10:30. So yeah, good luck to you guys, and yeah, stay safe and trade safe. See you guys tomorrow first thing in the morning, and it really means a lot if you could drop a like, subscribe, comment, as it will help with the algorithm of the channel. So the other, like, YouTube will recommend the channel as like, hey, this trading channel is pretty decent, maybe you guys can check it out, as from the algorithm. So yeah, really thank you guys for the support, for that few viewers that has always been viewing my videos. I really appreciate it, and yep, alright, stay safe, peace.